Hi. Here we have a glass contains 500 cc of milk and a cup contains 500 cc of water. So you have a glass and you have a cup. Okay. The glass initially contains only milk and the cup initially contains only water. But what is happening is milk and water both are getting transferred from one to the other. So ultimately both will have some milk and some water, right? So if the glass will have some milk and water, the cup will also have some milk and water at the end. Fine. So initially it is given that the glass contains 500 cc of milk, no water, and initially the cup contains 500 cc of water, no milk. This is the case, this is what's happening initially. Now what's happening is, from the glass 150 cc of milk is transferred to the cup. So from glass 150 cc is transferred to the cup, okay, mix thoroughly, and then 150 cc is transferred back to the glass. 150 cc of this mixture is transferred from the cup to the glass. Now the amount of water in the glass and the amount of milk in the cup are in what ratio? Now if you have gone through the theory videos, you would know this already, that once you transfer a particular amount from one jar, so what's the case is, initially let's say you have only milk and only water in the two jars respectively, only milk in the first jar, only water in the second jar, and the quantities are same amount of milk here, same amount of water here. Now if you transfer a particular quantity in the other jar, mix it thoroughly, and then transfer back the same quantity in the first jar, so what happens is, the milk in the first jar will be same as water in the second jar, and the water in the first jar will be same as the milk in the second jar. So water here in this glass will be same as milk in this glass. So since they will be equal, the quantity is equal, the ratio will be 1:1. So the answer here should be option D itself, if you remember this from the theory classes. But if you don't remember, let's do this, no issues. So let's calculate quantities remaining after each transfer. What's happening after transfer 1 and after transfer 2. So now if after transfer 1, in the first transfer what's happening is 150 cc is being transferred from glass to cup. Since there was only milk here initially, only milk will be transferred. So this 150 cc will be full milk. So we'll have 150 cc milk here, water will be 500. Here water will be 0, nothing. And since 150 cc of milk was transferred, the milk remaining here will be 500 minus 150. 500 minus 150 is 350. Okay. Now next what's happening is 150 cc is again being transferred from cup to the glass. Now 150 cc is being transferred out of total 650. Out of 650, 150 is being transferred. Right? So what fraction is being transferred? The fraction being transferred is 0 cancels out. This goes by 5 3 times. This goes by 5 13 times. 3 by 13th is being transferred. Okay. So the amount of milk that is being transferred will also be 3 by 13th, and the amount of water being transferred will also be 3 by 13th. Okay. So the amount of milk remaining here will be, if 3 by 13th is transferred, the amount remaining will be, or the fraction remaining will be 1 minus 3 by 13th, which is 10 by 13th. So the milk remaining here will be 10 by 13th of 150 cc, and the water remaining will be 10 by 13th of 500 cc. What will be the water here? Since of 400 cc, 3 by 13th is being transferred. So there was 0 cc here initially, plus 3 by 13th of 500 cc is getting added. And here milk was 350 cc initially, and then 3 by 13th of 150 cc is being transferred. So 3 by 13th of 150 cc is added here in the already 350 cc. Now the question was, what is the ratio of water here and milk here? That's what we want, right? Water in glass and milk in cup. So water here will be, this is 0. So 3 into 15 is 1500 by 13 cc. This is the amount of water in glass, and this also comes out to be 1500 by 13 cc. So the water in glass is same as milk in cup. So the ratio of these two will be 1500 by 13 is to 1500 by 13, which simplifies to 1 is to 1. Answer here is option D. Thank you.